during resorption, you had glass ionomer placed, and then you had emdogain placed on top of that in the connective tissue. Can you just elaborate on that? Do you get good bone formation over glass ionomer?
Well, this is very good question, because this is a new era for us. Because when we had an external resorption, usually the fate of the tooth was extraction of the tooth, especially this kind of external resorption. Now, those days, due to the fact that we have such a good materials, biocompatible materials, then we can use them to treat such cases that we really don't want to extract the front teeth of patient, which is young patient. We want to try to save it. Plus, it's a healthy patient, so we expect that all the biological thing will work better. So in this kind of patient, I'm saying, okay, why not to try? We can try and use all the good materials that we have. If we see cemental tears, and the cemental tears, which over there, the external resorption start to happen, we eliminate it. And we place glass ionomer on top. And then we take the emdogain and use it the same protocol as we're using on the root. So we take the emdogain and we apply it on the glass ionomer, but also on the root surface. So don't forget, we have the root surface, we have cementum and PDL on the area that near the external resorption. So the biological, logical thinking that, okay, cells can come from the PDL surface, it's next to the external resorption. We finish with the external resorption, there is no any more external resorption. There is a glass ionomer, the cells can apply on the surface. I don't know if they are there on the glass ionomer, but what I do know that I don't have pocket. When I try to probe, I cannot probe. So if I cannot probe, something happened there. Some new attachment happened. So maybe in order to investigate it correctly, you need to extract the tooth and do histology, which I wouldn't do to this patient, and it's ethically not properly to do something like that. So maybe an animal study would be the right thing to do. But this is a new era, so it's another application that I wanted to show you that you can use it in such cases.